Did you know some apps on your phone could be secretly using your camera and microphone without you even realizing it? It's a pretty scary thought, but don't worry, there's a simple setting you can change right now to protect your privacy. Let me show you how. Grab your phone and go to your settings. From there, tap on Privacy. Now, look for an option that says Camera and Microphone Indicators and make sure you enable it. That's it. From now on, whenever an app tries to access your camera or microphone, a small green or orange dot will appear at the top of your screen, giving you a clear warning. It's one small setting that makes a huge difference for your peace of mind. Go check it on your phone right now. If you love discovering hidden phone secrets like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for your support.